Yo, look at that. The dice rolls are going up like crazy. Oh my gosh, I'm going to be the richest Monopoly Go player there is. 130, 140. Oh my gosh, guys, that is insane. This method actually works. I will be presenting it. Oh my gosh, this is so cool, guys. What the heck? Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to get unlimited dice rolls and money in Monopoly Go. So let me open up the game and show you guys what's going on with my account, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. And as you can see, I got 300 grand and I also got 94,000 dice rolls. So I'm going to show you how to get unlimited just like me. So first of all, I want you guys to go over to the settings and make sure that you know your user ID. This is very important because the user ID is what the website will use to give you your dice rolls. So anyway, guys, next thing we're going to do is go over to the shop, and I'm just going to show you guys what's going on with my account, and then I'll show you how to do it. So as you can see, I got 94,000. So what you want to do, guys, is go ahead and go to this website, monorolls.cc. So let me just type it in right here. So once you're on this website, guys, what you need to do is go ahead and choose how much dice rolls you want to add to your account. Now, generally, I like to go for the max amount, so I'm just going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to press claim now, and it's going to ask me for the user ID and the platform. So let me just go ahead and put in my user ID right here, as you guys can see. All right, so anyway, now I'm going to do continue. And then before you actually get your stuff, you are going to have to do a verification. So what you need to do is download 2 apps and complete the instructions. These are completely for free, and they're from the official App Store. So let's just wait for this to load, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So yeah, this is super cool, guys. So let's just give it a second here, as you guys can see. All right, so basically it's going to bring up like a button that says verify. So just press this, and now it's going to bring us to the list of apps, and we just need to go ahead and download some of these apps. So as you can see, we got 2 of them right here, so I'm going to go ahead and download them. So for the first app, I'm going to do Travel Town, so it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. So while this is downloading, guys, I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and download another app. So you want to make sure you download at least 2 of the apps just to make sure the process works. So for my second app, I'm going to go ahead and do the Family Island. So it's going to take me to the App Store. I'm going to download the app. So let's just give it a second for it to redirect me here, as you guys can see. All right. So I'm just going to wait for this to load. All right. We'll just give it a second to go ahead and redirect me here, as you can see. So now I'm going to go to the home screen and just wait for these to download. They're pretty small, so I'm not really expecting a long wait time. So the Travel Town's already done, so I'm going to run it. I'm just going to do some basic interactions, touching around, whatever, nothing too crazy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it. So yeah, it's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm pretty much done, guys. So let's just run this for a little bit more here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just going to do this right here, fairly easy, So anyway, I think I'm pretty much done with this app, so let's go to the home screen and do the other app, which is the Family Island. So I'm just going to run this for a little bit more, as you guys can see. All right, so let's do the Family Island. Same thing, guys, just got to do some basic interactions. So let me just go ahead and do this right here, as you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it. So let me just do that. All right, so this is really easy, guys. So I'm just going to play through it right here, as you guys can see. All right, pretty cool. So yeah, I think we're pretty much done, guys. So let's go to the home screen and see if we got the dice rolls and money into our Monopoly Go account. All right, so I'm going to go to the home screen, and it worked. So be sure to try this out for yourself. It's super insane. I hope you guys enjoy the video. But if this video works for you guys, be sure to go ahead and share it, because this is super cool. I'm going to see you guys in another video, and peace out.